In this question, you will be assessed on using good English, organising information clearly, and using specialist terms where appropriate. Contamination and irradiation are two processes that are linked to radiation. Compare the hazards associated with both processes. In your answer, you must include a description of both processes, for 6 marks. This is an extended question, and the answer can only gain full marks if good English is used and scientific terms are used where appropriate. The answer scores 1 to 2 marks if there is a statement about the hazards of one or both processes, or a definition or description of one or both processes. 3 to 4 marks if there are a couple of such statements, and 5 to 6 marks if there are a few of such statements. Example of statements include the definitions of contamination and irradiation, that is, how contamination is the unwanted leakage of materials containing radioactive atoms on other substances or materials, whilst irradiation is the process of exposing an object to radiation. Note that both of these definitions must be present if the answer is to gain the full marks, as the definition or description of these processes was specifically requested in the question. Next, points made about irradiation could include how it doesn't make the exposed object radioactive, stops immediately after the source is removed, which means that it can be quickly taken care of and does not linger, and can be blocked through suitable shielding, such as suits, face shields, and other clothing which are radiation-proof. For contamination, the points made could include how the contaminated material will be radioactive for as long as the source is on or in it, can be extremely difficult to remove all of the contamination, and that once the material gets contaminated, the radiation cannot be blocked from it. Oftentimes, when something gets contaminated, the object is left and kept in a radiation-proof container until all of the radiation has gone.